Hello, kids! Let's practice reading today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Good job! Listen carefully and read with me. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Great job so far! If you're reading with me, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reading practice. Let's continue. Ge, gu, ga, gi, go. Very good. Let's try a different rotation. Gi, gu, go, ga, ge. Wonderful. Go, gu, ge, ga, gi. Gu, go, gi, ge, ga. Good job, kids. Let's read again. Fast. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ge, gu, ga, gi, go. Gi, gu, go, ga, ge. Go, gu, ge, ga, gi. Gu, go, gi, ge, ga. Perfect. Let's go back to the start. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Again. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Amazing work, kids! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reading practice. See you in the next episode!